Tech Talk with Boyum, the podcast where we go through the latest trends and insights in the world of business and technology. I'm your host, Paula De Silva, CMO from Boyum IT, and I am glad to be back and hosting episode 4. At Boyum, we are specialized in crafting innovative software solutions that help SME businesses streamline their operations and bring their products to life. So today we're talking about quality and in particular how to elevate quality standards for SMEs across the board. Elevating quality standards in business involves improving, processes essentially, products and services to meet or exceed customer expectations consistently. And it's very, very important for businesses to keep that loyalty from their customer base. Now, this can be achieved through various strategies, such as implementing more efficient workflows, adopting new technologies, improving employee skills, adhering to industry best practices. You know what? I could keep going on, right? But in the context of IT and technology, businesses are increasingly leveraging digital solutions to enhance quality standards and streamline their operations and ultimately improve overall business performance. Now, we've all heard horror stories, of companies sending out urgent product recall notices from across many different industries. I don't think any particular industry is immune to having experienced something like this. You may yourself have been involved in one. Now, you might remember a great real life example of a company facing such a significant quality recall issue. Toyota, we all know that brand, a large business, yes. They had a massive recall, in fact, of over 10 million vehicles worldwide across 2009 and 2011. Now, this recall was triggered by problems with the accelerator pedals. Now, apparently they could get stuck. Obviously, that can cause some major issues and potentially deaths. So we can appreciate the seriousness of such a matter. It was apparently one of the largest recalls in automotive history and had a huge, profound impact on Toyota's brand reputation, which we can all appreciate. And it was all around quality and reliability. So emphasizing its importance for businesses today. Another example, Chipotle, fast food, and it had a series, or they had a series of food safety outbreaks across 2015. They're known for their commitment to fresh ingredients with high quality food, but they had a quality crisis when multiple outbreaks of E. coli, norovirus, salmonella were traced back to its restaurants. Again, having a negative impact on their brand in the marketplace. So businesses can't ignore the importance of putting in and implementing processes that have a high focus on quality around what they deliver and put out in the market so they can continue to keep their brand reputation intact and their customers coming back. Having said all that, in today's episode, we're going to break down how small and medium-sized businesses can implement robust quality management systems and use technology to elevate their standards. We're going to actually dive deeper into exploring some actionable strategies and tools that can certainly help businesses implement good, sound, quality standards across their business so then they can deliver superior products and services to their customers. I mean, that's what we want. That's the ultimate goal. But we're also going to put an emphasis and discuss how the integration of technology in particular can help businesses automate quality checks, as well as enhance data tracking and, provide real-time insights, even if something not quite so good pops up. If we have access to that data quickly, then obviously we can respond quickly, and it's about minimizing that damage out in the market. Today, so we can explore and dive deeper into this topic, I'm excited to have a special guest. Irwin Padrique, the CEO of Arc1 Solutions. And they are a leading SAP and Boyum value-added reseller based in the Philippines, specializing in providing innovative SAP solutions to businesses of all sizes. They have a strong focus on helping organizations optimize their operations. Arc One offers expert consulting, system implementation, and ongoing support for SAP and Boyum solutions across the board. They have a strong focus on understanding the challenges SMEs have, certainly when it comes to implementing technology in general, but they also have extensive experience in addressing quality friction. Erwin, welcome to the show. It's great to have you with us today.
Thank you, Paula, for having me. I'm really very excited and discuss how SMEs can overcome these quality challenges.
Oh, you're very, very welcome. Absolutely. It's a pleasure to have you here. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. I really think it's always important to start there. Many SMEs face a unique set of challenges when it certainly comes to elevating their quality standards. Now, they often operate with smaller teams, limited resources, so scaling quality management processes can seem like a daunting, scary task. From your perspective and certainly your experience, what do you think is the first step that SMEs should take when they want to improve their quality standards?
That's a great question, Paula. And I think the first step is to define what quality means for their businesses. For some SMEs, it might be product reliability. For others, it could be service delivery or even customer experience. Once they've established that, they can start looking at their other processes to identify where inefficiencies or potential issues lie. Often, technology is the key to unlocking improvements. For example, implementing an ERP system can provide centralized control over inventory, production, and customer service. This ensures that all aspects of the business are aligned towards the desired quality standards.
Hmm. Well, that makes perfect sense to me. But for many smaller businesses, and I always throw in a but, I should warn you there, the idea of implementing an ERP system can feel quite overwhelming. Okay. It's a big step, and I'm sure you would agree when I say that. What advice do you have for SMEs who might be hesitant about taking that leap into digital transformation?
You're right about what you've said, that implementing ERP is quite a significant step. There's often some hesitation, but the benefits far outweigh the initial learning curve. My advice would be to start small. SMEs doesn't have to implement everything all at once. They can begin by focusing on one key area, like inventory or customer service, and gradually expand from there. The important thing is to choose a system that is scalable, flexible, and easy to integrate with their existing processes. Technology is an investment that pays off in the long run, especially when it comes to preventing costly errors and quality issues. Plus, many modern solutions nowadays are designed to be user friendly and offer training and support.
That's a great point. Now, I guess it's all about taking those incremental steps and not trying to do everything at once. I hear you. I mean, I should actually learn that myself in my day-to-day tasks here as CMO. Now, let's talk a bit more about how technology can help with quality management specifically. Okay, so Erwin, let's take a moment to talk about something that many businesses might face when it comes to ERP systems. And you have extensive experience in particular with SAP. Now, what happens when the ERP system doesn't extend to provide a robust solution? For managing, let's say, the important topic today that we're talking about, quality standards. Okay, while, and I accept and acknowledge that ERPs are powerful tools for streamlining operations, but you know what? They can fall short in quality management areas. So the consequences, I would assume, can be quite significant. What have you seen happen when businesses face this challenge?
When an ERP system doesn't fully support quality management, businesses often find themselves in a very difficult situation. They might be running smooth operations in areas like sales, inventory, and finance, but quality control can become a bottleneck. So, without quality management features integrated into the ERP system, businesses risk inconsistency, missed defects, and ultimately customer dissatisfaction. For example, if an ERP doesn't automate quality checks or track product defects in real time, problems can slip through the cracks, which might result in subpar products reaching the market, leading to customer complaints, returns, or worse, recalls. These issues can damage company's brand and result in costly consequences, both financially and reputationally.
Okay, that sounds quite serious. So, if the ERP doesn't extend to quality management, a business could be blindsided by quality issues, right? So, what happens next? What do they do?
Exactly. If quality isn't fully integrated into the ERP system, companies may struggle to address problems before they escalate. They may not have visibility they needed into quality trends. They won't be able to make data-driven decisions quickly enough to prevent defects or customer dissatisfaction. So without that insights, it's hard to act proactively, leading to reactive fixes which could have been avoided.
Now, I'm going to give Boyum a plug here. This is my
Hmm.
opportunity to lead with this discussion here. Okay, so I'm going to manipulate the situation for my benefit.
Mhm.
I guess that's where Boyum solutions certainly come into play, right? And I'm sure you would agree there.
Mhm.
So, as you know, Boyum offers a comprehensive approach that certainly ensures quality management is embedded within the ERP system. And I understand and know firsthand that certainly your company is experienced with implementing our solutions. So, how does Boyum help businesses overcome this challenge in your view?
Yeah. So we recognize that an ERP system is only as effective as the processes it supports. That's the opportunity for Boyum solutions, which are designed to plug in those gaps. In this scenario, specifically integrating quality management seamlessly into every part of the business, Boyum's Neutronic Manufacturing app inspect for smaller operations as well as Bayas Manufacturing for more complex business scenarios. For example, will help businesses streamline and automate quality processes directly within the ERP system. For businesses looking to improve quality standards, Boyam Solution provide automated quality checks, which can be built into the workflow, ensuring that every product or services meets the required quality criteria before moving to the next stage. This can help prevent errors and defects early in the process, ensuring that business aren't delivering subpar products to their customers. Boyum Solutions enable businesses to not only automate quality management, but also integrate into their day-to-day operations from procurement to production to customer service. And it doesn't just help prevent mistakes. It allows businesses to optimize their processes by providing real-time insights into quality trends, identifying issues before they even escalate, or better, continuously improving operations.
Amazing, right? I mean, simple. Just, plug that gap with a Boyum solutions and off you go, right? Sounds simple enough. But no, but jokes aside, I mean, with your experience and the feedback that we receive from our mutual customers, we do hear time and time again that certainly Boyum's offering does really make quality management accessible and scalable, even for SMEs who might not have the resources to implement large-scale standalone quality systems. And, you know, it's about integrating those capabilities into their existing solution landscape. But often we think of quality standards, our mind goes straight to the regulated industry, right? However, personally, I don't believe it should be limited in this way. We've all heard of companies recalling products due to quality issues, but whether it's a pharmaceutical company recalling millions of blood pressure medications or automotive industry recalling vehicles because a component like Toyota didn't meet required standards. But while these industries are often heavily regulated, the reality I can appreciate as well as you can is that quality assurance is just as critical for businesses in non-regulated industries. And I believe that it certainly highlights the importance of having strong internal quality assurance across the board, in particular for SME businesses. What are your thoughts there?
You're absolutely right, Paula. Quality assurance isn't just a precautionary measure. It should be a vital part of corporate management. And when companies don't prioritize quality, they are exposing themselves to significant risks. To your point about recalls, whether you're in pharmaceuticals, automotive, or consumer facing product businesses, if quality isn't carefully managed, you are risking yourself on tarnishing your brand, losing customer trust, and incurring financial losses. Let's look at a few reasons why every company, no matter the industry, should be investing on quality assurance. First is about compliance. In regulated industries, meeting stringent quality standards is non-negotiable. But even in non-regulated industries, adhering to internal quality standards can ensure your products and services meet the expectations of consumers. It can also build trust with your customer base and make compliance with industry certifications like ISO standards more achievable, which enhances credibility and reputation. The second is reputation. A strong reputation for quality is one of the most valuable assets a company can have. Consumers expect quality, and businesses that consistently deliver on that expectation stand out. It translates into increased customer satisfactions, fewer returns, and greater customer loyalty, all of which give you a competitive edge. In the long term, quality builds brand value, which is essential for sustainable success. And the last is about operational efficiency and profitability. Effective quality control processes help companies avoid costly mistakes, reduce waste, and optimize resources. When you catch potential issues early before they impact your customers, you are saving time and money. For example, automating quality inspections helps identify defects before products reach the market, preventing costly recalls, and maintaining operational flow. By embedding quality into everyday business processes, you support long term growth and profitability.
You do know your stuff, right? Thank you for that insight. You make it sound so simple, just highlighting these challenges and the importance of businesses taking quality, control checks seriously. And I guess that's where digitization and automation plays a huge role in ensuring the reliable and consistent quality across the board. Now, I would imagine without the right tools, it's almost nearly impossible to maintain the level of quality assurance that businesses need today, okay, because it's a highly competitive landscape out there. Now, we touched on this earlier, but I'd like to do a deep dive and elaborate a little further. Let's go back to Boyum Solutions, okay, and how potentially our solutions can help businesses integrate quality assurance into their operations. I want to explore that a little bit more and utilizing your experience in implementing Boyum solutions together with SAP for SMEs in the marketplace.
Okay, let me share you our experience in implementing Boyum solutions. Boyum Solutions has shown that we have enabled businesses to integrate, monitor, and uphold quality standards across the product value chain. The Boyum solution offering make it easier for companies to automate quality control, maintain end-to-end traceability, and capture critical data, all of which are essential for staying compliant and maintaining high-quality standards. So allow me to get more granular about this. For example, Inspect, which is part of the Neutronic manufacturing. We've touched about this earlier. Inspect is a cloud-based app that communicates seamlessly with ERP system, offering lean quality control. It empowers quality managers to automate, plan, and delegate quality-related tasks efficiently. It streamlines the inspection process and allows inspectors to run tests and record results easily. So no more manual logging. Plus, you can set quality standards or quality targets and manage inspection plans directly from the system. The next product is Bayas Manufacturing. This solution integrates directly with SAP Business One, offering a comprehensive quality control module that helps monitor product quality throughout the entire production cycle. By performing regular inspections and real-time monitoring, businesses can detect defects immediately and prevent disruptions. With Bayas, quality data is easily recorded and instantly accessible, providing a transparent view of your entire process. And then another functionally rich solution of Boyum is Prodomex WMS. This warehouse management solution for SAP Business One offers traceability from raw materials to the final product. With batch control and storage guidance, it ensures that products maintain their quality throughout every stage, from receipt to delivery. This feature helps businesses uphold quality standards and even during storage and transit, ensuring that product quality doesn't slip between the cracks.
Hmm. Well, I guess we've got something for everyone by the sounds of it, which is, reassuring for SME businesses out there, helping them stay ahead of quality issues, and streamlining those all important inspections and just making the whole process so much easier.
Exactly, Paula. In fact, the beauty of solutions like Bayas, Prodomex WMS, and Neutronics is that they work seamlessly together, providing businesses with real-time visibility and easy access to quality dashboards. Whether it's tracking defects, reviewing inspection results, or s- simply ensuring that all quality checkpoints are being met, businesses can confidently scale as they grow. These solutions can easily adapt to evolving needs, ensuring quality control remains a top priority no matter how big the company gets.
And I guess just further to what you just said, I mean, as businesses grow, which is obviously most of them wished and aim for that objective, they need tools that are going to scale with them. So tools that not only help manage quality assurance, but also optimize overall operations in general. So it's good to get the insight that certainly the solutions that you've just pointed out really seem to offer that scalability approach for SMEs and beyond.
Absolutely, Paula. Investing in quality assurance with the right tools not only ensures that products meet high standards, but also supports operational efficiency, compliance, and ultimately long-term profitability. By integrating quality into their operations with Boyum solutions, you're laying down the foundation for business growth and success.
Wow, thank you so much, Irwan. Your customers are so lucky to have that insight and knowledge that you have to help them transform their businesses. And certainly thank you for your loyalty. We at Boeing certainly appreciate it. Ultimately, if I'm to sum it up, it's clear that quality assurance isn't just a matter of regulatory compliance. It is about delivering products that meet customer expectations and building a strong, trustworthy brand. Now, if businesses invest in the right solutions, they can avoid costly recalls. They can increase operational efficiency and ensure consistent product quality. Your thoughts, your final thoughts, Erwin?
Thanks, Paula, for this interview. It was a pleasure discussing how Boyum Solutions can empower businesses to take control of their quality processes and drive sustainable growth.
Oh, thank you to you. And to our listeners, remember whether you're in a regulated industry or not, maintaining quality standards should be a priority for every business. With Boyum Solutions, you can streamline quality control, ensure your products always meet your customers' expectations. So if you're ready to enhance your quality assurance processes, visit our website to learn more about our tools and how they can help you stay on track. For now, thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk with Boyum. We will see you next time.